Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can take photos with the more details on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. So to do this, we have to open the camera application and then switch from the standard modes to the more and enable this 15 megapixel mode. Right now you have to also remember about the good lighting condition, and we can also turn on the flashlight. Right now catch focus and just take photo. As you can see, the photo was taken, and right now we can take a look for the preview. As you can see right now we can spot a lot of details, and in this mode we can also find the HD preview, so we can zoom in really close and for example take a look on the details right here. So that's all for the video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.